This is the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, and even though a newer model has technically hit the shelves, for 90% of creators, this is still the smartest camera you can buy right now. It was the flagship camera for 2024, but here in the late 2025 and early 26, it has become the budget king. You're getting pro-level specs like 10-bit color, incredible battery life, and absolute sturdiness for a price that now beats almost everything else on the market. So in this video, I'm going to focus on the features that actually matter when you're out traveling. I'm talking about the magnetic mounting system, the honest truth about using this underwater, and why the image quality is still more than enough for your travel vlogs. Now, a link to the camera is in the description. It's my affiliate link, which helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. So if you find this video helpful and you decide to buy the camera, I would appreciate if you use my link. Thank you very much. Now, let's get started. Feature 1. The magnetic mounts. The first thing you notice, and honestly the feature that makes it hard to switch to anything else, is the mounting system. If you have used older action cameras, you know the pain of those screw-in mounts. Your hands are cold, you're trying to line up the threads, and you miss the shot. This system is completely different. It uses strong magnets and a physical latch. You just bring the camera close to the mounts, and it snaps into place. We do a lot of skiing, and let me tell you, trying to unscrew mounts while wearing thick winter gloves is a nightmare. Now with this, you just squeeze the clips and pull. You can move it from your helmet to a selfie stick in about 3 seconds. It removes the friction from shooting, which means you actually end up filming more. Feature 2. Dual touchscreens. Now the hardware itself feels premium too. You have 2 screens, one on the back and one on the front. And they aren't just for framing. Both of these are OLED touchscreens. That means they are incredibly bright even in direct sunlight or on snow. But the best part is that the front screen is actually fully functional. If you're vlogging and you need to change your frame rate or resolution, you don't have to unclip the camera. You just turn it around, swipe up, and boom. You can change your frame rate right here. You can swipe right, you can change it to photo, video mode, and you can also view your content that you filmed all from this front monitor. Now, this sounds like a small thing, but when you're on the go, it's a massive quality of life improvements. Feature 3. Reliability and endurance. Now, when it comes to action cameras, none of the fancy specs matter if the camera dies on you. And this is where the Action 5 Pro separates itself from the competition. We've all seen the marketing claims about 4-hour battery life, and usually that's just a lab number. But with this camera, it is surprisingly real. We took this out into the freezing cold of the Alps. It is rated to work down to -20 degrees Celsius. And on a day where our smartphones actually shut down because of the cold, this camera just kept running. We were getting nearly 4 hours of recording time on a single charge. It's at the point where you almost don't need to carry spare batteries for a normal day trip. But the reliability feature that has saved us the most is actually built right in. This camera has 47 gigabytes of internal storage. We've all been there, right? You get to the scenic spot, you hike up the mountain, you hit record, and you realize, uh-oh, your SD camera is full or missing. On any other camera, your shoot is over. But with this one, it just seamlessly switches to the internal memory. It is enough space for about an hour of high quality 4K footage. Feature 4. Waterproofing and usability. Now, let's talk about the water. If you're into diving or snorkeling, this is one of the most capable cameras you can buy. But we do have a serious personal warning for you. Out of the box, it is waterproof down to about 20 meters, which is deeper than almost any competitor. But there is a specific safety feature that nearly ruined our first dive with it. So here's what happened to us. So we jumped in, we swam down, saw amazing corals and fish, and tried to hit the record button on top, and nothing happened. We pressed it harder and still nothing. We honestly thought the camera was broken or frozen. It turns out this is intentional. When the camera enters Scuba Mode, either automatically at depth or via settings, it completely disables the top button. This is because water pressure at depth can physically push that button in, ruining your recording. So the camera isn't broken, it just changes the controls. You have to use the quick switch button on the side to start and stop recording. But here's the catch. You need to learn the timing on land. A short press switches modes, and a long press turns it off. underwater with gloves and adrenaline, it is really to mess this up if you haven't practiced. So our advice is to practice the side button timing on your couch before you get on the boat. Or even better, use the auto record feature. You can set the camera to start recording automatically when it hits 1 meter of depth. This removes the human error entirely, so you never have to fiddle with buttons while driving. Now, of course, none of this matters if the video looks bad. And this is where Action 5 Pro is still punching way above its weight class. It uses a large 1.3-inch sensor. In simple terms, that means it is excellent at handling high contrast scenes. If you're skiing on a bright sunny day with blinding white snow and dark trees, this camera holds it all together. You don't get blown out white skies, you get rich, usable footage. And for 2025, there is a crucial update you need to know about. When this camera first launched, a lot of reviews complained that the normal color mode looked too neon and cartoony. DJI actually listened and fixed this. If you dive into the settings, make sure you switch the color profile to neutral or D-Log-M. This completely changes the look of the camera. It gives you a soft cinematic image that isn't over-sharpened. If you use an Osmo Pocket 3 or a drone, the D-Log-M profile matches perfectly, so you can mix footage from all your cameras without it looking weird. Feature 6, the audio system. Now, the final feature that makes this a travel essential is the audio ecosystem. If you're a vlogger, you know that bad audio ruins a video faster than bad visuals. This camera connects directly to the DJI Mic-2 transmitters via Bluetooth. And by the way, it does it very smoothly. You just turn both of them on, the microphone, the camera, and boom, 5 seconds, it's connected. You don't need a receiver hanging off the side of the camera. You just click the mic to your jacket and it talks straight to the Action 5. It keeps your setup tiny and discreet, which I actually really like. Now, we do have one pro tip for you here. Always turn your microphone on before you turn on the camera. We have noticed that if you do it the other way around, you can sometimes get a tiny audio sync delay. Powering the microphone first solves it every time. The verdict: 5 Pro versus Action 6. So here's the reality check for beginning of 2026. There's a newer model out there, the Action 6. It has a slightly bigger sensor and a variable aperture. If you are someone who strictly films night vlogs or dark car interiors, that camera is technically better for you. But for everyone else, for the skiers, the hikers, the daytime divers, and the travelers, the Action 5 is the better buy. You're getting 95% of the performance for a significantly lower price. You get the 47 gigs of internal storage, the rugged battery life, and the magnetic mounting system that just works. This isn't just a budget alternative. It is the most reliable workhorse you can put in your bag. If you want to grab one at the current deal price, that link is right below in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.